Athletes often excel in more than one sport. The 2004 case of Bloom versus National Collegiate Athletic Association put the spotlight on a student athlete who juggled multiple sports between the collegiate and professional levels. Jeremy Bloom was an Olympic and World Cup skier who competed in televised skiing events. After his Olympic appearance, Bloom endorsed ski equipment, became a model, and took part in multiple entertainment and media opportunities. Bloom was also recruited to play football at the University of Colorado. The university contacted the National Collegiate Athletic Association, or the NCAA, to get waivers that would allow Bloom to play intercollegiate football while also keeping his skiing endorsements and activities. The NCAA was the body that determined student-athlete participation eligibility and regulated endorsements and media opportunities. The NCAA denied the university's requests regarding Bloom. Bloom then dropped his skiing endorsements and media activities so that he could play football for the university. Bloom sued the NCAA to enforce association bylaws that allowed him to both ski professionally and play collegiate football. The trial court denied Bloom's request for injunctive relief. Bloom appealed.